Thank you for joining me on my learning journey. Today I'm going to be sharing my learnings on how to solve problem 19 from the AMC 8 2019 question paper. So let's go through our problem. In a tournament, there are 6 teams that play each other twice. A team earns 3 points for a win, 1 point for a draw, and 0 points for a loss. After all the games have been played, it turns out that the top 3 teams earned the same number of total points. What is the greatest possible number of total points for each of the top 3 teams? So I encourage you to go ahead, take a minute, pause the video, try this problem on your own, and come back and hit play whenever you're ready. So we have 6 teams, and let's just say that they're A, B, C, D, E, and F. Oops, let me move my color editor out of the way. So what we're going to do is we're going to assume that the top 3 are A, B, and C, right? And if they each play every other team twice, then we know that for the games against these 3 teams, they can win all of those games for the maximum amount of points. So for each team, they can get 3 points plus 3 points plus 3 points from each of these, but they play each other twice, so it's multiplied by 2, meaning that as a start, we know that they can have 18 points. But what about their games against each other? So for games against each other, if they have to be equal, if they all have to have equal points at the end, because it says that they all earned the same number of points. That's a terrible underline. Okay, there we go. So we know that they each earn the same number of points. So the ways that the points can be equal is if a team ties both, or they win one and lose one. So if they win one and lose one, so in this case, in tying both, each team would get 2 points, right? Because they get 1 point for a draw, so they would get 1 point plus 1 point, but they play each other twice. So it's going to be times 2, so they would get 4 points. But if they win against one team and lose against one team, then that would be getting 3 points plus 0 points times 2, which is equal to 6 points. And we're looking for the outcome in which they get the greatest number of points. So the way that we would find that is we know that it's definitely the one where they get 6 points rather than the one where they get 4 points. So it would be that they beat one team and lose against the other, meaning that our answer would be 18 plus 6, or 24. And so on our AMC 8 test, we would circle answer choice C.